Stop the vehicle now.
Sir, you were kind of speeding back there. What? I wasn't speeding. Sir, don't. No, I don't want that stuff. Can I see your license registration, please? Thank you. Speed, I drove just fine. That was stupid. Sir, you need to step out of the car. I'm not stepping out of the car. Get out of the car now. Why do you stupid cops always do this to me, man? This is so dumb, man. You got the right to remain silent. Oh my God. I ain't. No, you don't. Oh no. Just doing my job.